Grit is important, but in today's world, it's just not enough. Resilient leaders go way beyond grit. They adapt, they recover, and they thrive in real time. Real-time resilience starts with your mindset. So, you need to adapt. Don't stall. That's because adaptability keeps you moving forward when things don't go as planned. You should also focus on progress, not perfection. Remember, small steps create big wins. Now, resilience might start with your mindset, but it's built through habits. So make sure you practice active problem solving. Break challenges down into manageable steps, and you'll be on your way. Be sure to stay present as well. Mindfulness keeps you grounded under pressure, and make sure you build team support. Resilient leaders foster resilient teams. When leaders lead with resilience, they inspire confidence, they foster innovation, and they turn challenges into opportunities. As I've often said, resilience isn't about surviving the storm. It's about navigating it with strength and clarity. So build resilience in real time and keep on pushing.